memorize everything you read, the first thing you must do is watch this video carefully. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment after watching it till the end. Let's start the video. How to memorize everything you read. Scientifically proven, step by step, just in 60 seconds. Most people read for hours, but retain almost nothing. Why? Because passive reading doesn't work. Highlighting and rereading might feel productive, but studies show they're some of the least effective ways to remember information. Let's break that cycle. Science behind memory. Here's the science. Your brain retains information through active engagement. According to cognitive psychologists, memory works better when you interact with what you're reading through retrieval, spacing, and association. These are key principles in cognitive science. After reading a section, close the book and recall what you just read in your own words. This forces your brain to actively retrieve the information, strengthening the memory pathway. It's like doing a mini test after each paragraph. Don't review everything in one sitting. Instead, space out your review over time. Day 1, then day 3, day 7, and so on. This method is proven to beat cramming. Your brain needs time between reviews to strengthen memory. Teach what you learn. This is called the Feynman technique. Pretend you're teaching the topic to someone with zero knowledge. Explaining forces clarity. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough yet. Create mind maps. Turn what you read into visual diagrams. Connecting ideas visually helps your brain store the information as patterns, not isolated facts. It boosts comprehension and long-term recall. So next time you read, don't just read. Engage, recall, space it out, teach it, and make it visual. Your brain will thank you. Like this video if you found it useful, and drop a comment. Which method will you try first? Subscribe for more brain-boosting tips every week.